welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. What is going on day 2 of Vlogmas? Well, Vlogmas is gonna be hard. I'm not used to filming every day. I don't really know what I'm gonna film every day, but today I do know what I'm gonna film. Today we're gonna solve a problem with the S2000 that has been slightly dangerous and has kind of caused it to almost start on fire. One of my brake calipers is sticking, or like the brake pad or something. So as I drive, I constantly smell brake dust and I feel like a pulsating all the time, even under acceleration. So we're gonna get the car on jack stands soon enough and get to pulling the wheel off and checking it out. This is gonna taste so good right now. Shout out to Advance for giving me their platinum pads for the price of the golds. I don't know. Either way, I just need some brake pads on the rear. And rotors. That takes us to AutoZone. Woo! Okay, so we're finally home, and let me just demonstrate to you what the problem is. The car is in neutral right now, and the parking brake is not engaged. Bro, can I pull it? Oh, I can kind of pull it. Barely. Oh. This wheel is hot. I know there's a ton of brake dust. Yeah. So with that said, I'm gonna be replacing the rear brakes today. Got 2 new rotors, got some platinum pads, CarQuest baby, and I rented a brake caliper compressor tool. I really like this one. This is from Advanced Auto, really nice. And lastly, some anti-seize, which is gonna be super important to making sure this doesn't happen again. I gotta go put on some cold weather drip real quick, and then we'll get the rear jacked up. W. So guys, the piston is seized. I was not expecting this, and I wasn't expecting this because the shop that initially fixed this issue for me, it's a long story, I'll tell you later, told me it was not the caliper seizing. It was the pads being seized into the little shims here. I have been trying to rotate this piston back into the caliper so much that I have stripped it. And now I can't rotate it back in even if I wanted to. This is so unfortunate. All right, so I sort of just had a brain blast for this caliper here, for this piston. Got it on a little impact. I'm gonna try the big impact if I can't get it to go anymore with this, but I just got it to move a second ago. Starting to go. I think I'm just gonna put it on the big impact and see what happens. Well, that's working. Probably not worth it though. Probably gonna have to get a new caliper anyway. Hey, I'm calling to see if you got a rear passenger side brake caliper for a 2002 Honda S2000.
I don't have one, man. I can get one for tomorrow morning.
All right, let me call around really quick. I'll give you a call back if I'm gonna go with that. Thank you. So I found out my local AutoZone has a caliper, but they had to order it, but it's gonna be here today, just like very soon, in like an hour and a half. With that said, I have done everything I possibly can up to this point, including removing the bad caliper. As you can see, even the new rotor and new pads are in. We literally just have to attach the new caliper and mount it and bleed the brakes. Hello, Rob.
What's up, dog?
John? Yeah. 2002 Honda S2000. $88.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like this has been the 5th delay tonight, and we're waiting on our boy John here to finally get this thing back on the road worthy. What do you say, John?
I'm gonna go into Chipotle wearing overalls.
All
right, the caliper's on. That actually went way faster than I was expecting it to. When you're working with new parts, I guess it's just so much easier. Anyway, we're gonna go out and bed the brakes and see how it feels. Rolling? Yes sir, we're rolling. Wait, I can turn right on red here, can't I?
Yes, you can.
All right, well, there's traffic coming, so we're gonna hit it. Yeah, so the brakes are fixed. We're gonna head home and eat this Chipotle, and I'm very, very excited for this Chipotle. I swear, Luciano, I'm gonna go grocery shopping very soon. I had a good breakfast, I had a good lunch, but I just don't have time to cook tonight. I was literally in the driveway working until who knows, and it's freaking cold as hell. And
Yes.
woo! So guys, I'm about ready to wrap up this video, but before I do, I want to say again, welcome to the Boosted John Vlogmas. This is day 2, and I want to just give you guys a quick little rundown about what you should expect from Boosted John's Vlogmas. There are a lot of you guys that are watching right now that subscribe to me for the Turbo Civic project. You guys subscribe to my channel because you guys want to see really sick builds, crazy stuff going on, and believe me, that's coming. However, I need to ask you guys for a little bit of leeway during Vlogmas. I have to plan, film, edit, upload, and make thumbnails for one video every single day for the next like 3.5 weeks. I'm very used to making 2 videos a week, which gives me quite a bit of time to make progress and do some cool stuff to the cars. This is going to be a big shock to my current workflow, and I'm going to try my absolute best to continue to put out quality, entertaining content. However, with that said, because I have to make so many more videos, some of them will be much different from my normal content. I've done some skits in the past. Those were really fun. Those don't take me quite as much time to make, but I still have a ton of fun making them, and it seems like people in the past have really enjoyed them. I'm gonna probably bring some of those back. Now, about halfway through Vlogmas, there's gonna be something really crazy coming to the channel. Like, actually, like, it's gonna be sick. But for the first probably half of Vlogmas, I need you guys to just bear with me. I'm just gonna be experimenting with some different types of content and just having fun daily vlogging. I'm sure you guys will understand. I really appreciate that. And with that said, that is where I'm gonna end today's Vlogmas video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up. By the way, the brakes work now. They're good. They're good now. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. And as I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.